So we start from you, Kaife. Your answer to number one. Kaife, your answer to number one.
I got 2,100.
2,100. Mona, Mona,
I got 2,100.
2,100 is correct for both of you. Number two, Mona, your answer. Mona, your answer to number two.
I I got 3x.
Three is Kaife.
I got 7x.
7x is correct. Mona, this is not correct. Okay. 8x minus 3x will give you 5x. 5x plus 2x will give you 7x. So that is why it is 7x, correct. Kaife, your answer to number 2B.
8y.
8y. Mona,
8y.
8y. Both of you are correct. 1 mark. Then number 3. Mona, what is your answer to number 3? I hope you are marking it accordingly.
Yeah.
Okay, your answer to number 3, Mona.
Uh, 1,230.
And Kaife,
1,730.
1,200 and okay, the same value. So let's verify. First and foremost, it is a 6760. Then 3879 people are men. Why these are women? Let's add it men and women. 3879 plus 1241. You know, this question is a calculator question, so you can easily make use of your calculator. And when you add the two of them, you get 5120. All right, let's subtract it from the bulk. Minus 5120, and that is going to give us from 67 60. So that will give us 1640. And they say 1/4 of the children are girls. How many are boys? So boys will now be 3/4 times 1640. Okay, so that is divided by 4 and multiplied by 3. So your answers are correct. Both of you should give it 3 marks. Is that okay? Did you hear me?
Yeah.
All right. So number 4, I think you put this inside the classroom, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I will evaluate it after this. Number 5, Kaife, what is your answer to number 5? Number 5, Kaife.
Um, 0.69. Also, how many marks is number 3?
Number 3 is 3 marks. Number 4, we will look at it in the classroom where you submitted it. So what is your answer to number 5?
0.69.
0.6 what?
9.
What is the unit? What is the unit?
Pound. 0.69 pound.
Okay, Mona, what is your answer? Hurry up.
0.69.
0.69 pounds. Okay, let's find out. Magazine is a 2.2 pounds 30, and then pepper is a 92 pence. Okay, and she got to this change 40. All right. So what we are going to do, If change is given as 40 pence, we add them up. 230 pence plus 92 pence plus 40 pence. So the entire money there is 362 pence. So we subtract it from 500 since he has a £5 note. So when we subtract 362 from there minus 500, that will give us 138 pence. And there are two identical chocolates. Therefore, 138 divided by two chocolates divided by 2 will give us 69 pence. Okay, and 69 pence is equivalent to 0 pounds 69. That is 33 marks from each of you. Is that okay?
Mm.
All right, we move to the next one. That is number 6. Mona, what is your answer to number A first?
Uh, the- 15, 15 over 29.
15 over what?
29.
Kaife?
I got 15 versus 9.
15 over 29. Let's go to B part. What is your answer to B part, Mona?
Cause like the both she's wrong. Since they're both the same. They're both 38 and 38.
Okay. And Kaife?
I said she's wrong as there's an equal amount of boys and girls in shorter school.
Equal amount of boys, equal numbers. So wrong. Let's find out. First and foremost, what fraction of the students in class A are girls? So we have to check in class A, the key is given to us. The boys are 14 and their girls are 15, making a total of 29. So the fraction of girls, the girls are 15. Okay, both of you are correct. So that is 2 marks. 2 marks. Now, the next one, you say that both of them are the same. And she said that girls in year 11 in Troton School are more than, okay, boys are more than girls. Let's find out the total number of boys. So for boys, we have, boys is this one, 14 plus 12 plus 8 plus 4. That is for boys. Then for girls, we have 15 plus 11, then plus 7, plus again 5. Okay, let's add it up and see their values. So 14 plus 12 plus 8 plus 4 will give us 38. And for girls, 15 plus 11 plus 7 plus 5 we also give us 38, which means the number of girls is equal to the number of boys. So you can't say Chola is wrong for saying that boys are more. So both of you are correct and give it 2 marks as well on that place. I hope you are marking.
Yes.
Okay, Kaife, what do you have to say about number C? What is your reason why this?
I think she, I think she's correct. As far as she has the extra information, like the angles, so what each piece involves. So it's more difficult than the background, which are all the information.
Okay, what about you, Mona? What is your own reason for number C? Why pie chart method is difficult?
Because like it's not very accurate and say yeah, it could be because like it really doesn't show like the values. or like any key so I find out the numbers.
Mona, you missed that 1 mark. The explanation is not 8. Kaife, you have the 1 mark. The reason is what Kaife said. Like Mona, what your message is saying that it is not accurate and you don't have values to evaluate. No, you can actually evaluate it, only that it is more difficult. Why? You have to use your protractor to measure all the angles of the sectors. Once you are able to measure the angles of the sectors, you can actually find the values. So the only thing is that in comparison, the bar charts, as you look at it, you read the values. But for the pie chart, you have to measure the angles of each sector, then use the angles over 360, multiply by the number to get the value. So you can actually get the value, only that it is more difficult. So Kaife got the 1 mark. Mona, you don't get the mark there. I hope you understood me.
Yeah.
So we come to this. Mona, give me your answer first, quickly, without wasting time. What is your answer to number 7A?
8.
8. Kaife?
8,
Mona, you are 7B.
29.
Kaife?
5,
5. Okay, let's work it out now. When work out the output, if your input is 4, 4 times 3 is equal to 12 minus 4 is 8. Both of you are correct with 1 mark. Then in number B, work out the input when the output is 11. Okay, what this means is that if the output here is 11 and here you meant to subtract, so you are now doing 11 plus 4 will give us 15. Okay, and you divide it by 3. When you divide by 3, you get 5. Kaife is correct. Amona, it is not correct. 0/2. Take note of the grades so that you'll be able to calculate your total score. So I'm gonna give you 2 marks. Mona, you work it in reverse order. The minus becomes plus and the multiplication becomes division. Can you see how I did it?
Yeah.
So 11 plus 4 divided by 3. So instead of working it in the forward method, you go in reverse order, which you are doing opposite what you did earlier. All right, it has C part. Mona, what is your answer to C part? What value can
2.
make them equal? 2. Kaife?
2.
2. So the actual thing here is for you to set up an equation, algebraic equation. Okay, and what will you do? You can say let input be x, and let output also be x. Okay, if both of them must be equal, the input must be equal to output. Therefore, you now come back to the machine function, which is multiply by 3 minus 4. You work it out easily. So if input is x, that is x times 3 is 3x, then minus 4. And that must be equal to the output, which is x. The input is x. So 3 times x is 3x minus 4 must be equal to the input, which is equal to the output, that is x. Therefore, 3x minus x will be equal to 4. 3x minus x is 2x, which is equal to 4. So x is 4/2 equal to 2. There, when you now make use of 2 there, it will be equal.